On March 21, 2025, President Trump announced a significant policy shift impacting the lives of over 500,000 immigrants. He revoked the temporary legal status of approximately 530,000 migrants from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela. This decision effectively ends their protection from deportation under the Biden-era CHNV parole program. This program, implemented by the previous administration, allowed these individuals to enter the U.S. legally. Now they face an uncertain future. The revocation has sparked outrage and concern among immigrant rights groups who argue that it will have devastating consequences. Many of these migrants fled their home countries seeking safety and a better life in the United States. They now face the possibility of being sent back to the very dangers they escaped. The decision reflects the ongoing debate over immigration in the United States. The CHNV parole program, launched by the Biden administration, aimed to provide a safe and legal pathway for individuals fleeing political and economic turmoil in their home countries. The program specifically targeted citizens of Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela, nations experiencing significant unrest. Under the program, individuals could apply for parole to enter the U.S. if they had a sponsor willing to support them financially. This program aimed to address the surge in illegal border crossings by offering a legal alternative. It allowed approved applicants to live and work in the U.S. for a period of 2 years. The program was seen as a humanitarian effort to provide refuge to those in need. However, the Trump administration argues that the program overstepped executive authority. The Trump administration justifies the revocation of the CHNV program by citing its temporary nature. They argue that parole, by definition, is not intended to grant permanent residency or a pathway to citizenship. Furthermore, they claim that the Biden administration exceeded its authority in implementing the program, as parole is traditionally granted on a case-by-case basis. Trump's decision aligns with his administration's broader immigration policy, which emphasizes stricter enforcement and border control. The administration has repeatedly criticized what it perceives as loopholes in the immigration system, vowing to prioritize American citizens. This revocation is the latest in a series of moves designed to limit both legal and illegal immigration. The implications of Trump's decision are far-reaching and potentially devastating for the affected migrants. Those who were granted parole under the CHNV program now face the very real threat of deportation. While the administration has not yet released a detailed plan for enforcement, the revocation has created widespread fear and uncertainty among immigrant communities. Critics of the decision argue that it is not only inhumane, but also counterproductive. They contend that sending hundreds of thousands of individuals back to unstable and often dangerous countries will only exacerbate existing crises. Additionally, they point out the significant contributions that immigrants make to the U.S. economy and society. The decision is expected to face numerous legal challenges.